G'day, it's Keza from Kezbar Brewery with a brew rig update. This is number 1. This is how far I've gotten so far today. I'll just flip this camera around again. So, that's him so far. It's all welded up so far. Now, got to go through and put dividers in for my kegels. 1, 2, 3, and there's my lathe. So I don't know whether I'm going to use the kegel as a mash tun. I think I'll just stick to my esky. Seems to be doing the job. But apart from that, I'll probably keep going on it tomorrow. I've got to work out a few extra measurements and that to adjust some measurements. Everything's already pre-cut. I've just got to work out where they're all going. But I'll give you a quick shot of the drawing I did for it. If I can get it unravelled with one hand. And I'll just turn this one around again. So, there it is there. I have HLT this side. So this is the bit that I'm trying to work out. It's whether I'm going to use a kegel or an esky. And this side will be for the boil kettle. As you can see, there's my makeshift burners in the middle. And I've got to add some wheels to it. So I don't know whether I'm going to make this part here into a shelf yet. Most probably will. For when I've packed up everything and can all just sit underneath and yeah, just get wheeled away and put in the shed. So apart from that, the reason it took me so long to do that, mind you, I started at about 9 o'clock this morning. Tiny was doing well, supposed to be doing a brew day. So I ducked down there and said g'day. And yeah, he had a couple of mates over and they were building a brew rig. And let's just say it was the funniest 2.5 hours I have spent being there. I was pissing myself laughing the whole time. It was just unreal. Mind you, they were pretty sampled. But yeah, there will be a video going up of that, I think. Depends on how Tiny goes. So stay tuned for the next update. There's probably going to be another one tomorrow. And should almost be finished tomorrow, except for the wheels. I've got to order them next week. Getting some 5-inch full ball bearing rubber wheeled casters with 2 will be solid and 2 will be swivels with brakes, so I can park it pretty much anywhere and put the brakes on, steer it around. And then the fun begins of all the stainless, cutting the kegels, welding in all the paps and bits and pieces, and yeah.